Managing your web bill or tracking web bill for your product or for your company is very easy. I'm showing you how to create a new web bill and view the list of web bill you have created over time in Norakle software. So what you do is click on customer, then take your cursor down to Waybill, click on it. Right here, you're clicking on new Waybill. Yeah, so right on this interface, what you're doing is you're going to select any of these invoices to create the Waybill for. So right here, I'm going to easily click on Pazino Gardens to create the Waybill. Now, I haven't tapped or clicked on that create waybill. It's giving me this. So I'm going to impute most of this thing. So what you do is enter the information needed. Okay. So once you're done, you can see that because you selected the invoice created already, it showed the goods that have been gotten already or purchased for that. What we're going to do is save. Click on save. So delivery note created successfully. Then click on OK. All right, so this is Pazino Gardens here. It means that a web bill has been created for this. It has been delivered. So this is how you create new web bill. And if you want to view, you click on view web bills. So when you do that, you're seeing the list of web bills that are done already. So they are already successful. Thank you for watching.